Living whole is synonymous with Water Distiller Australia. Water distillers are worthwhile investments if you want pure, clean water, as long as you purchase a high-quality one. Springflow's Megahome Water Distiller is the best benchtop water distiller in Australia. This is the most durable, well-constructed water distiller on the market, and if you've done your research, you'll already be aware of its reputation. This high-quality stainless steel water distiller easily removes fluoride from your water. Water that has been heated into vapor and then condensed back into liquid in a different container is known as distilled water. The original container still contains any impurities in the original water that do not boil at or below the boiling point of water. So, one kind of cleansed water is distilled water. Drinking distilled water is safe, but you'll likely find it dull or unappealing. This is because key minerals like calcium, salt, and magnesium that give tap water its distinctive flavor have been removed. Is distilled water identical to boiled water? They are not the same, no. Water that has been boiled is merely water that has been heated to its boiling point. This eliminates a wide variety of microorganisms that might cause illness. Water that has been purified by distillation to remove all contaminants, including minerals and microorganisms. Everything from drinking to watering plants to hydroponic farming and food processing may be done with distilled water. For more than 50 years, Water Distillers Australia has offered high-quality water that is devoid of chemicals, pollutants, toxins, viruses, and bacteria to both residential and commercial customers. Can I wash my face with distilled water? Due to its purity and compatibility with the skin's pH levels, distilled water made my skincare products more effective. Is it possible to substitute bottled water for distilled water? The primary distinction between bottled water and distilled water is that the former is intended for consumption while the latter is not. This is due to the fact that the manner in which these goods are filtered or purified affects the mineral composition of each type of water. The degree of purification is a crucial consideration when selecting a countertop water distiller. The water purity level that can be produced by a quality distiller is normally certified, and occasionally the certification even specifies the percentage of pathogens that were eradicated during testing. The main health advantages of drinking distilled water are that you avoid any potentially harmful chemicals found in tap water. You also eradicate any bacteria or viruses. Distilled water improves bodily function and aids in the prevention of kidney stones. When water is being distillated, the temperature is increased to the boiling point, whereupon steam is produced and evaporates from the water's surface. Organic dissolved solids, heavy metals, and numerous other pollutants in the water are eliminated during the evaporation process. Bacteria, viruses, Giardia, and Cryptosporidium will all be eliminated during the boiling and evaporation procedure. The descaler and cleaner included with your Megahome water distiller can be used to quickly clear up these waste materials, which will remain in the boiling chamber. The water that evaporates climbs to the top of the boiling chamber and flows into the cooling coils made of stainless steel. The fan unit speeds up the coiling of the steam as it condenses back into water in the cooling coils. The condensed water will now start to drop through the nozzle into the glass or BPA-free plastic collection container. The simplest method to create distilled water is to use a home water distiller. Simply fill the boiling chamber until it reaches the full marker on the water distiller's inside. Place the head unit firmly on top of the distillation device. In 5.5 hours, after turning on the device's power switch and placing the glass collection jug under the nozzle, you should have about 4 liters of distilled water.